Hello. So I want to tell you about a near-death experience. You know, I really love my phone, and everybody knows that I love iPhones. I'm an Apple fanatic. I want to tell you a story how jailbreak almost caused me a heart attack. Of course, I'm a little overreacting to it, but I was extremely unhappy. I bought the phone in April this year, so it's been like what, six, seven months. Well, anyway, I'm gonna wrap it up in 3 parts. First, I'm gonna tell you about the symptoms, diagnosis, which was given to me by some smart people. Third, how I solved the problem, actually accidentally. So what are the symptoms? So the first thing, I wake up one morning and I saw this. What the heck is this? It's a red dot on my screen, and it just stays there, for God's sakes. It just stays there. Wherever I move, whichever app I open, it stays there. I was freaking out. Resprings did not help. Removing some tweaks did not help. I thought, okay, I'm done. And what kind of product is this after 6 months? So, these were the symptoms. Red dot, wherever you move it, doesn't go away. When you lock it, you can still see it. Now I'm moving to that diagnosis. So, of course, I contacted the company because they were very unprofessional in this. Hello, I have this and this, blah, blah, blah. Can you help me? We'll look into it and we'll let you know. So I said, okay. So I went to Twitter. So I posted the image on Twitter. I thought, okay, can this be dead pixels? But it's too big for dead pixels. Why red? Like my tie, why red? Then one guy told me, it can be the charger. Which charger are you using? Belkin charger, which is a wireless charger, Qi charger, Maybe it burned your screen from inside. How can the charger burn my screen from inside? Then I sent a photo to one of my friends who is working for one of the Apple resellers and service centers. But it sounds like laser-induced screen burn. My God, I didn't know I had lasers in my house. I was like, oh my God, now I need to go to the service center to restore my phone, to lose my jailbreak. I need to fight with them, I need to argue with them. They will not like me. What happened then? So of course, when you want to do the restore of your phone, what you need to do, you need to put your jailbroken iPhone into the DFU mode. Remember that? Thankfully that's the case, because otherwise I wouldn't have solved the problem. So what happened? DFU mode, right? Tilt. Press volume up, press volume down. Then you need to hold it here until it goes black. And then hold the volume down until it boots up. I've been doing it for a while. So first I wanted to reboot my phone to wake it up in a non-jailbroken state. Then I wanted to put it in DFU mode. I even downloaded the latest iOS 14. So I tried this, and to my surprise, my God, volume buttons did not react. What is happening to my brand new phone? And then reminded me, it's never the device, it's always the person. In this way, jailbreak's fault as well. Still don't know how. I've remembered that a while back I assigned some activator gestures to volume up and down, right? So I went to activate to reset these gestures so I can do the DFU or whatnot. So I went there, and there is one option where you can see whatever is assigned, and then you just reset all to remove all these things. So I did it. I got it respring, and the entire dot was gone. Just like that, with a touch of activator. I'm still puzzled. Is it activator? Is it something with jailbreak? Is it something else? Please let me know your thoughts. I'm dying to find out. So jailbreak almost caused me the heart attack. Be careful. If you have something like this, go first with the activator. Remove these things. Try again. Now even my charger is working well. I have no issues with the charger. I'm still charging it the same way I did it. Thank you for watching. I really hope to know. I want to understand and see and hear your thoughts. Bye bye.